Good morning, children. Last video I have taught you about the rational number. What is rational number? First, the number which has the exact value is called a rational number. And why is this definition justified? The answer with the explanation I have taught you. Second, the number which can be expressed in the form of a p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, that is called a rational number. And why it is, that part also I have explained in the last video. Here one thing I will say you, why q is not equal to 0. Whenever a rational number is represented in the form of p by q, p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Why is this q is not equal to 0 also I have taught you. Still, again, what is the error? Because of this q is equal to 0, what is the error? That part I will show you, and it will be related to linear equation. Just I am showing you, just find my mistake yourself, just go through the process what I am doing, and where is the mistake you just find, and you will better understand why q should not be equal to 0. We will start now. Let a minus b equal to 2. So a minus b equal to 2. So a will be equal to, b will go that side, it will be 2 plus b according to transpose. Okay, now what next step what I will do, a minus b will be multiplied both the sides, because equals are multiplied to the equals, so the products will be equal. So a minus b, here a minus b, this side a minus b is multiplied, this side also a minus b is multiplied, so that the products and both sides the products will be equal. There will be no issue. Implies that a minus b whole into a minus b, according to multiplication rule we have to multiply a whole into a minus b minus b whole into a minus b, that is equal to 2 into a minus 2 into b. There is no problem because just we have multiplied. Again, a into a equal to a square, a into minus b minus ab minus b into a, that is also minus ba, or we can say minus ab also according to commutative law. Okay, then minus b into minus b, minus into minus plus b into b, b square, that is equal to 2a minus 2b. Implies that here what I will do, another one transpose I will apply. So I will keep a's in one side and b's in the another side, like a square minus ab minus this 2a, it will this 2a, this side it is plus, it will come to this side, will be minus 2a. There will be no issue, no problem, that is equal to, now this minus ab is kept here, this minus ab I will take to that side, it will be plus ba. Plus ba means plus ab also, okay, ba. Then this b square also I will take that side, it will be minus b square. Plus b square will go that side, it will be minus b square. And this side already minus 2b is there, minus 2b. So there is no issue, there is no problem, because as usual I am simplifying. So multiplication rule and transpose, so there is no wrong till this much I have done. Implies that a whole into a square minus ab minus 2a, a is there, so a is common, I have taken a common, that is left, a square, a is taken common, a is left. minus a is taken common, minus b is there. Then a is taken common, minus 2 is left. That is equal to, again from here b I have taken common, here a is left, minus b is left, here b is taken common, minus 2 is left. Okay, there is no problem. Now next step what I will do, so this a minus b minus 2 I will take that side according to transpose. Here both are multiplied, a into a minus b minus 2 equal to b into a minus b minus 2. So I will take this one that side. So a, that is equal to b whole into a minus b minus 2 whole divided by a minus b minus 2. That will go that side, it will be minus division, because it is multiplied this side, it will go that side, it will be divided. Now we see b into a minus b minus 2 divided by a minus b minus 2. So this one a minus b minus 2 and this one also a minus b minus 2, it is cancelled. So now implies that a equal to b. If you implies, it will be a minus b equal to 0. So now a equal to b coming or b will come this side, it will be a minus b equal to 0. And here but a minus b equal to given 2. So we have done the process correctly from starting to end we have done. But a minus b equal to 2 it was there, now a minus b equal to 0. That means there must be some mistake within this sum. So where is the mistake? Just you think yourself, but I am saying the mistake here. So which one I have taught you, that the rational number, the number which can be expressed in the form of p by q. P, q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Here see a minus b equal to 2, that means a minus b minus 2 equal to 0. So a minus b minus 2 equal to 0. Here a minus b minus 2 equal to 0. So the denominator cannot be 0. If it will be 0, like this one 0, this one 0. 0 by 0, this is undefined. And we cannot 0 by 0. And here, that's why this one cannot be 0 or anything. Here a minus b minus 2 equal to 0. Here a minus b minus 2 equal to 0. A into 0 equal to b into 0. So here 0 and 0 cannot be cancelled to make a equal to b. This is the mistake. I think you will better understand. And here you just will think, if you take 0 by 0, this way also we can prove any number. I think you better understand. Thank you.